Hello everyone, I am Justin Jose back with yet another video. Thanks for all your supports and feedbacks. I had been told that my recent posts I have been reading the material and also to improve my expression skills. So regarding the expressions I am working on it, and the thing why I have been reading the post is that my initial videos were actually sharing my experiences, so I didn't have to think much about that. Whatever I experienced, I was just telling about that. But these few, like regarding IT and this one I have been doing, these are the factual things which I had researched online. So while delivering the content, I don't want to miss any of these points. That's why I have been reading it. So this latest video is also based on my uploaded posts. The more focus I am giving is on my blogs, which is my main aim to help the people regarding the career advice. The videos I am uploading is just to make sure that the people who are lazy in reading the contents, they can also utilize it by listening to the video. So this time the topic, as you can see, the post is about BTech Biotechnology, and that is my own course, and I have been eagerly waiting to upload a video regarding my own course. But as it's my own course, I wanted to make sure myself that I am updated about all the details so that I can give complete information to others. So keep sharing my videos with the relevant crowd so that they can make use of it. So regarding this video, in making this video, two people have been of great help to me. Thanks to Mr. Mayank Chavra, who is BTech Biotech 4th year student of Amity Biotech, Jaipur, and Mr. Arif Shamsi, who is the student of BTech Bioinfo 3rd year of Amity, Jaipur, for their valuable contents and guidance for the upload. Also thanks to all the students who contributed to the survey which I had conducted for collecting informations for the post. So yeah, the introductory line that I am telling to all the people wherever people inquire me about BTech Biotechnology is that it is the most widespread, established, versatile, flexible course in India. There is a better course, that is BTech Industrial Biotechnology, but the thing is that it is only found in a few colleges of Anna University. I'm researching online about this course since a few weeks, and once I get the complete informations, I'll let you know about that. But the curriculum of the course, that really impressed me. It was a versatile course. So biotech is one of the fastest growing career field in India. It is expected to well establish its presence in other industries also, other than the current industries like pharmaceuticals. Now it's going to expand in industries like petroleum, food industry, etc. So first question that would come to our mind is that whom does this course suit the most? So the first one is for the people from PCMB background who either want to carry forward both maths and biology, or doesn't have an upper hand in either, so don't know what to do. There is a sort of career confusion. Then second, it's for the students from PCMB background who want to carry forward all the subjects, and for those who can tolerate mathematics, you may opt for BSc Honors Biotechnology, not simple BSc Biotechnology but BSc Honors Biotechnology. But the thing is that by not taking BTech, you won't be getting adequate exposure to technical and administrative knowledge, and also there is negligible job recruitment after BSc, so you'll have to go for MSc and all. But with BTech you can be recruited just after the BTech course. Thirdly, it's for the students from PCMB who didn't have maths in class 12th but who want a graduation that would recruit them in IT sector. This is the only preferred option left. Like if they don't get admission in bioinformatics is preferred for them, but if they don't get, there are only few colleges that provide bioinformatics, so you can opt BTech Biotechnology. Then yeah, especially for students from bio background who doesn't like too much in-depth study, but like a variety and versatility in studies. That is, they want to know maximum uh, variety of things, but they are not interested in going too much depth of each and everything. They just want an overall idea of different things so that they can choose what is their interest of the field. Yeah. Yeah, I would like to tell that it's the only option for non-bio students to shift to bio career. And although many non-bio students have excelled in it, but they are not advised to take this course. That is, non-bio students are not advised to take this course because most of the basics are skipped in the colleges, assuming that the majority or almost all the students have covered the basics in class 11th and 12th. And so in that case, the non-bio students feels it difficult to shift your mindset from pure maths to pure bio oriented studies, and it may pose a threat to their what to say, the future career aspects, as they might not be able to adjust with it, and then they'll be stuck somewhere in between. So now after this comes the selection of the college. I would say that select the best affordable college for you, which has best biotech laboratories and updated curriculum, both industrial and or research oriented as per your career goal. If you want to settle in industry, so industry oriented. If you want to go for research, then research oriented. Or some colleges are well updated in both industrial and research oriented, so you can go for them also. Then the things to be done during undergraduate life. So starting with the first year, put all your efforts of first year to score maximum academic score. Above 7.5 you need to maintain to be on the safer side in the upcoming years to balance any sort of upcoming downfalls. Then second thing you have to decide initially is whether to go for corporate or research job. Even if the choice may get modified in the future, but you need to fix upon one and work one at a time. You can't work on both. Okay. So firstly, for those who want to go for a corporate life, in that also, firstly, who want to be in the core field and don't want to shift the field, in that, those who want a technical job, go for industry oriented trainings, internships from the first year itself in the field of your choice. So among the subfields, you need to choose a field of your choice, and if you try one and you don't like it, then you have time to decide upon other. So earlier you start trying, so more the chances of deciding or changing it afterwards if you're not comfortable. Like if you start later, then you might not be able to do that. Then if you have a mindset or like you might have a chance to do MTech, start preparing for GATE exam. That is from second year itself, cover all the syllabus not taught in college by the end of third year, and the things which are going to be taught in the fourth year, that you can do in the fourth year, but the rest should complete it before third year, because you might not get enough preparation time due to the hectic schedule due to placement, entrance exams, etc. Then choose biotech or life science paper for GATE as per your career interest. One thing I would like to tell you that MTech is only worthy if you do it from a reputed college. The most reputed college for these are IIT Madras, then we have IIT Delhi and IIT Bombay. Now we come to those students who want to do a research job. Start preparing yourself through mentor guidance, presentation, that is both oral or posters, then paper publication, review research papers, etc., projects, and prepare for GATE for MTech and for JRF for PhD, that is Junior Research Fellowship or PhD. You need to prepare for CSIR net. Now comes those who, like, in between the in the starting or after a few years you feel like you need to change the field. So first option is for those who want to do an administrative job. So you need to prepare for exams like CAT, that is for especially for IIMs. Then you have other exams like XAT, MAT, SNAP, TIS, NMAT, that's for the non-IIMs, and some of the non-IIMs take CAT score, but you need to do separate registration for that. Some of the MBA branches popular related to biotechnology are agribusiness and food management. For that, the preferred colleges are IIM Lucknow and IIM Ahmedabad. Then you have food technology, food management, pharmaceutical management. Most recruitment of the tech students after MBA are to the HR department. For those who want to shift to IT sector, you need to excel in the computer languages and softwares. And now coming to the common preparation during the college life, you should work on presenting the best CV, include maximum achievements during college life, that is academics, co-curricular projects, internships, publications, etc. Polish your soft skills and communicational skills. If you clear the campus placement, it would be an asset to your CV. Most of the recruitment of biotechnologists are in the following industries, that are pharmaceutical, research labs, healthcare, and consultancy. And now it's going to spread to other industries also. In the instant given years, it might be spreading to the industries like petroleum, food sector, etc. After that, it was spread to almost all of the industries. Now comes to the blunders or the mistakes made by the career aspirants. Like firstly I said, non-bio students opting for the career and then regretting it, like getting stuck in between bio or maths, then you not get an upper hand in any of those. Then not working on skill development or resume building, and afterwards thinking that I'll do it in the final years or after graduation, but then they are not able to do it. That's a big fault, and by even other than biotech, although most of the engineer college going students make this mistake, even in, that is mainly in the technical field. Then you need to have a goal. Just like I said, you can't taste everything in a single life, so you should research online and find a career of your interest. Then you should work on it, and like I said, if you don't feel good, then you can shift to others. Then one important thing is that students only opt for BSc. This is not for BTech students. For BSc student, they offer simple BSc or take biotech as an optional subject. In this case, the aspirant gets stuck and face hardship during recruitments. They lag behind the BSc honors students and the BTech biotech students. So simple BSc or BSc as optional subject is not advised to take. You better go for BSc honors biotech. And if you can handle mathematics, of course, the best option is BTech Biotechnology and BTech Industrial Biotechnology. The students who want to clear IIT JAM exams, again I am speaking for the BSc students, those who want to clear IIT JAM Biotech, not biological sciences, IIT JAM Biotech, you'll have to try to clear the class 12th maths board exam. If you haven't given it, you can clear it even during your graduation. Yeah, and of course, talking about BTech Biotech, this upload would be incomplete if I don't mention about one of the major subfields of biotech who, due to its continuous career development, is emerging as a separate field, that is bioinformatics. This is usually chosen by biotech aspirants who are more inclined towards IT sector and didn't have mathematics in class 12th. Bioinformatics involves maintaining, developing, analyzing, and understanding the forms of biology on a computer. They have upper hand over pharmaceutical students in research work, and over biotech students they have upper hand over biotech students in drug designing research works. The preparations are same as the mentioned for the IT approach above in the above section, then which I talked before. This field currently has negligible corporate recruitment in India, so students planning to pursue corporate job in bioinformatics may have to change their decisions and make up their mind for research work, or they'll have to change the field to get a non-corporate job. Then as I said, for IT students, for bioinformatics especially, the programming languages that are main are Python, BioPerl, and also Java. Now mainly what I talked was for those students who want to settle in India or want to pursue their higher studies in India. For students who are planning to go abroad, they should prepare for the exams like GRE, that is for MS and MTech. Then for we have GMAT, that is for MBA. Other than this, you'll have to clear communicational skill exams like TOEFL, IELTS, etc. So I think I have covered all the major points regarding BTech Biotech. Also, a bit I have mentioned about BSc Biotech and a bit about BTech Bioinformatics. I hope you all like this video. Share it with the relevant crowd of BTech Biotech, BSc Honors Biotech, BSc Biotech, or Bioinformatics students, so that they can post doubts regarding which I can clear with the help of the experts available with me, and they can clear any sort of career confusion, and it will be helpful for them. Thank you for listening.